Hello scientists! Okay, I'm going to show you how to get into the Gizmo today. I will be assigning the first part of it on Wednesday and the second part on Thursday. So please make sure that you complete both parts on the worksheet and you get it submitted by Thursday. So first of all, you should have a Gizmo account if you are not a new student. So log into your Gizmo account. If you are a new student, come to the Class Connect that I'll be having on Wednesday to get you set up with an account. But once you get into Gizmo, in your class you're going to see a Gizmo called Chemical Changes. We're going to click on Launch the Gizmo. And you will see something that looks like this. Now, you're probably saying, I don't know what to do. There's a lot of things. I could play around with it. You could. But what you're going to have is a lesson. And so I'm going to open up that lesson for you right now. You're going to have a worksheet to go with it. And so on Wednesday, I want you to do the pre-knowledge questions and the warm-up, as well as activities A and B. So that might seem like a lot, but that's why we're splitting it over 2 days. It's actually not going to take you that long. So what you need to do is read the instructions very carefully because it will tell you exactly how to set it up. So for example, on Wednesday it says to begin, check that reactant 1 is sodium and reactant 2 is water. So on the Gizmo, we're going to look and see reactant 1 is sodium. Yep. Reactant 2 is water. Good. So back to the worksheet, click play. What do you observe? Here's play, and you're going to see what happens. So describe what happens in the reaction and write it on the sheet. So finish the warm-up, and then for activity A, click reset. Check that we have sodium and water. Turn on the label reactants checkbook. So reset, sodium and water, turn on the label reactants option. Okay. And then you're going to just follow it from there. So please make sure that you're reading through it thoroughly. What it's asking, you're answering. For example, drag the thermometer into the flask of water. Okay, so you have to drag the thermometer to the flask, and then it says to click play. Okay, and it's going to ask you questions. It's going to show temperature there. So it's not that hard as long as you are reading every single word on this worksheet. So get started on Wednesday with, again, activities A and activity B, conservation of matter. And then on Thursday, we'll have activity C, types of reactions, and oh, maybe that's it. Okay, so I guess there's only 3 activities. So A, B, and C. So you'll do A and B on Wednesday and C on Thursday.